Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Python Shorts. These are short Python tutorials that are straight and to the point. So to jump right in, a while loop is used to continue doing the loop until some kind of condition is met. So if we have a variable called x and we set it equal to 0, and we say while x equals, you have to have the double equals, just like in our if statements. While x equals 0, we're going to add 1 to y. So one way to type this would be y equals y plus 1, but the shorter way to type this is y plus equals 1. It's just a nice shortcut to remember. So let's delete that out. So one thing to notice is that y is not set equal to anything right now. So if it's trying to add 1 to itself, that's not going to work. So we're also going to set variable y equal to 0. So if we ran this right now, it would go forever, because there is nothing that changes x and makes it not equal to 0. So the problem with that is that this program, it would never stop. So we need to have a way to stop the loop from happening when we reach a desired condition. So let's say so we're going to add an if statement to our while statement. If y is equal to 6, then we're going to change x to 1. So now that x is no longer 0, it'll break out of this loop when it gets to this point. And just to show you that it is going through this loop each time, we're going to print the value of y each time through the loop to show that it goes through, checks, is y equal to 6? Nope, it's 1, so then it jumps back up, runs through again. Y becomes equal to 2. Is it equal to 6? Nope, it jumps back up. So if we run this, we should see a printed 1 through 6. Yep. And that's where it broke out of the loop. So this can be really helpful in coding, and it can really speed up your processes. Especially if you're not sure how many times it's going to go through. Like when you do a for loop, you usually set the range ahead of time and you have it run through a specific number of times. But if you don't know how many times, a while loop is really helpful. That's all I've got for you guys. Appreciate your time. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave any thoughts or notes or suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Have a nice day. Talk to you later.